life. Recently, when I got hurt, I decided to come back to college, and I came back. Me and my wife moved up here, and we bought a home in Paradise. We live in San Luis Obispo. I had a scholarship to Cal Poly, which I turned down to do this program. And well, the reason is like everybody else that's working. I started at Cuesta, and I got involved out there, and I became the lab tech for the engineering department. So I'm faculty out there now, but it's enough to pay the bills. But I've been pushed to get my my master's. I've decided to go into teaching, so this program worked out fine for me, so I can continue to work at Cuesta and go to school full time. Something unique is, again, I was a diver most of my life. I worked in the Gulf of Mexico. I've been pretty much all over the world. I worked as a machinist and a machinist mate in the Navy. And the difference here, I kind of feel a little intimidated by all the experience with programming. I just decided to change my major last semester. So I jumped in and took C. I took Introduction to Computer Science with Java. I took Assembly Language all in one semester. So I'm trying to catch up. But I have enough time to put 20, 30 hours a week into the program, so I should be fine. Our two dogs are mine and my wife's life now, as our kids are out of the house, and we raise boa constrictors.
Great. Thank you. You had a lot of interesting.
Also, the teacher, one of my colleagues at college, Dr. Ellen Ross, was part of a group of you people when you decided, when you were exploring this program a year or 2 years ago, you had a conference with a bunch of the community college, and Dr. Ellen Ross was part of that, and he's the one that pointed this program up for me to be able to do this.
Well, thank you for us and to have you in the program. You add a lot of interesting stories to the program, so welcome.
Thank you.
Maria Temple. Let's see, let's bring Maria on. Maria, say something.
Hi.
Good.
Oh, my pretty face isn't there. Anyway, I have been employed as a web developer since 1996. I initially went to college in 1992 at Worcester Polytech, mechanical engineering major. Decided that I hated college and would rather work instead. The first time I saw the World Wide Web, it was the most exciting thing ever. I said, I have to learn how to do this. So I took a Gopher class from the University of Michigan and learned how to be a programmer. So I've been basically done everything since the beginning that has to do with the internet, and I've really seen the industry grow. But I wouldn't say I'm an expert in any one thing, but I do have a super passion for the user interface. So that's primarily what I do for my job, although I have dabbled in all of the back-end technologies that drive the web. I'm a single mom of 2 kids. They are awesome, 7 and 9. I was an actor for a while, love gardening and growing my own food and other things like that. What I hope to get out of the program is career advancement. I'm kind of stuck. A SAG actor is a union actor as opposed to someone who is not union. So all the actors you see on TV are what's called SAG actors, and you have to be in enough shows to get invited to be in the union. So that means professional actor. Like I have a lot of experience and I've done everything from manager to lead tech roles, but I really don't want to be a coder. And so I hope to get a broader overview and understanding of the computer science industry and how I can translate my current developed skill set into being an executive. My current 5-year plan involves finishing college, which I decided 18 months ago. So started finishing up all my prerequisites and then found this awesome program so that I can be an executive in 5 years.
That's great, and I can see you in your group not only finish your own learning and software engineering, but become the kind of the management of that team and help out with the team. That would sharpen your skill also.
Yes, and I would love to do that. I'm very excited about working with everyone.
Very good. Welcome to the program. Good. Let's move on to Ryan Wapma. Ryan?
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, good morning, everybody. I guess I'll start off by saying I'm from Fresno, or I'm in Fresno right now. And as you can see, my programming experience, I feel is hobby level experience with, I guess, a whole alphabet soup of different things there. Of course, I've had the prerequisite courses for this program as well. I don't have any programming work experience currently, but before I used to have a position where the company needed someone to kind of update their website and the databases for it. Okay. On my next slide, I have some unique things about me. I guess I consider myself a chess player. I'm also a musician on piano and trumpet, and there's some cats here. And then finally, my expectations for the program on the last slide. That's expectations. You can't see the title, but yeah, I want to just increase my programming expertise, develop collaboration or group skills, increase my appreciation for the art of computer science, and to build a portfolio, and of course, obtain a bachelor's degree.
That's great. So the second class we take is using Python to manipulate media. I think your music experience will enhance that. We'll do a lot of programming that manipulate sound, video, and so it will be part of your programming experience connecting to your music talent.
Good.
Okay, great. Welcome to the program. Philip? Philip?
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh, great. So my name is Philip. That's a picture of me and my cousin and sister right there. We'll go to the next slide. A little bit about myself. I currently work, lived in Trace, California my whole life. I have a family in Santa Cruz, and I go there a lot, which really made me decide to look at this school. And then also I've got a really busy full-time schedule, so really online learning's pretty much my only option. And during free time, I like to watch sports and I play the guitar. My expectations about the program, I've done this kind of accelerated pace program before, so I know it's going to be very fast-paced. I know it's going to be a lot of work all at once. I'm kind of just starting into C++ programming, and I'm actually liking what I'm learning, so I'm hoping to learn more about that. And I'm also hoping to learn more about networking and databases. So.
That's great. Well, next time you visit Santa Cruz, drop by the campus and meet your fellow computer science student on campus.
Will do.
Great. Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
James? Odia? James, say something. James?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, all right, great. Sorry about that. So, yeah, my name's James O'Day. I live in Los Angeles, and I'm originally from Houston, Texas. Been in IT for over 10 years. Work as a senior data engineer at a gaming company in Santa Monica. I've basically attended college on and off for a really long time, and those are a list of some of the majors that I've pursued. And you know, life has sort of like been at a quicker pace than the majors have allowed me to complete any degree. So now I'm in a program where I hope that I can kind of put together all of my experience in IT and my learning experiences from college and kind of put it together into a computer science degree.
That's great. The computer science is kind of a glue to combine a lot of the skills together. So I think you will put all your prior learning to work in this degree. but make sure you schedule enough time per week for this. Like you mentioned, like previous student mentioned, the class is not that short. It's 8 weeks, so every week is crucial. So make sure you manage all of us. You can manage our time well.
I agree.
Welcome to the program, and I think that's the last thing.